What's up, guys? Three trades for me today. It was a pretty choppy day. If you didn't catch that move it opened, you missed the move. And honestly, I should have caught that move it open. We opened above the EMAs, and it was looking like we were going to explode. I'm just not much of that first half hour guy. I'm still drinking my coffee. So whenever we get stuff like this, I'm usually not ready for it. So I played puts twice, calls once. Despite it wasn't, I'll consider this a trend and chop day. First trade of the day was I had this little rising wedge on SPY. I kind of just wanted to play something, to be honest. We were making these higher highs. I know I don't like taking rising wedges on trend days like this, but I know how to play them. I can play them in very particular ways. I don't remember where I had this trade. I recorded the trade. I'll post it to YouTube. It might have been down here. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. It was a one candle move that I caught. It was a 0 day. I think it was either a 0 day or a Friday expiration. And I caught it around 15%. I already had my target. I was just going to sell at the support. So I sold on this wick. I was waiting for it right at 382.3. And it was one of those trades where I just wanted to get started with the day. I wasn't looking for anything big. I just wanted a quick little drop down on this rising wedge. We got that. So nice way to start the day. My second trade was on Amazon. It was puts again. And I actually played this off the 3 minute, where I had my trend line drawn in the 3 minute. I waited for a candle close in the 5 minute. We were bouncing off this trend line right here, and you can see we closed below. But I don't really like taking on 3 minutes. But you can see how in the 3 minute, it really gives me a clear trend line. On the 5 minute, it's kind of iffy. So 5 minute, we had a tweezer top, and after we had that tweezer top, it looked like a head and shoulders. Everything kind of looked wrong with it. I was like, all right, I'm gonna enter in puts. This candle closed below. Kind of got a little bit of a retest. I entered around 83.8, and I sold pretty quickly. Again, wasn't looking for anything large. I just wanted this little move down to 83.6, and I sold right at 83 point. Yeah, I think 83.6 on the dot is where I sold. I just wanted this candle right here. I just wanted that length of a move, and it ended up being around a 15% trade again. This is another base hit. Um, on days like this, it's kind of all you have to do. Not going for the home run can sometimes kill me because then I sell too early. But on days like this, my strategy works great because I can get those quick base hits. Obviously, they ran a little bit more, but maybe they're 5-10% with theta and all that. So my last trade of the day was on SPY. And I was pretty much just waiting for this all day, actually. I On trend days, I just like to take trend line breaks north. I like to take those for a game. Usually I'm looking for bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. So we finally got something that I can work with. We were just touching lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and I had this bull flag forming. We had these lower lows, and it gave some perfect retries. I was kind of scared. I thought this was going to break down. I didn't record this one just because it was kind of late in the day and I was kind of tired. But I have the other two recorded. I might post them. Yeah, so I entered on one of these retests. It was like 383.75. I think I got in that. Could have gotten a little bit better entry, but I'll take it. And I ended up selling. It worked out perfectly. I sold right at a high day. And that was my target on this. That's what I usually target on bull flags or bear flags. So I target the low or high of the bear flag or the bull flag. So, all the trades worked out perfectly. This was one that I look back on and I'm like, that's why I don't hold those runners because, you know, this candle was probably a good indication to sell the rest if I wasn't holding runners, but I literally just sold all of them as soon as we hit 380. It was like 384.1. This resistance right here, high day. So, 3 for 3, I can't complain. It was okay day, I'll say. I think I executed well. It's just kind of annoying. It was one of those days where I was just like staring at the screen. I was like, oh my god, like I don't know how much longer I can do this. Like, I want to go take a nap because it was choppy and missing this move at open hurts because you're sitting there, you're like, oh crap, I should have gone that. That's something I got to do. But I can't complain. It was 3 for 3. I haven't missed a trade this week besides the one yesterday. So I think I'm 6 or 7, I want to say. So tomorrow, I am not looking forward to it because I know I'm not going to be trading my best because I'm going to be trading so conservatively. It's going to be the Friday before New Year's, so it is going to be extremely low volume. I think today I would say around 50 million in volume, 48.2 million. That's pretty close. Yeah, so around 48 million volume, extremely low. This whole week's been around that 50, even less range. So tomorrow on a Friday before New Year's, I don't even know if I'm gonna trade. I'm contemplating whether to just sleep in. But I know if I do that, I'm gonna miss some big move that we're gonna get. I'm probably going to take one or two trades. I'm gonna go extremely late. I'm not even gonna take 0 days. And I want to say the market's closed Monday, so I'm gonna take Tuesday expiration, and I am going to try to get just some 10%ers to end the week strong. But there is no doubt in my mind that we are gonna have some whack price action on some very low volume. So that's it for me. This week's been okay. I haven't sized up really as much as I usually do. Haven't really had any like big 40-50% winners. Kind of just been going around that 10 to 30% range, cutting quick, right at support, right at resistance. But I can't complain. It's been a long week for 4 days, but I'm looking forward to this weekend. But we do have one more day, so I'm looking forward to it. And that's it. Hope you guys were able to take something from these trades, learn a little something, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.